What is my full name? My full name is Kuti Adeshola Moyo K. And in case you don't know, we reached 500 subscribers. Next question is, hey guys, it's Moyo K. Consciousness of presence. Oh my god, this is not present. Hey guys, welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo K. Okay, so if it's your first time on this channel, you're always happy and excited, jumping here and there, up and down, back and forth. You're like, oh, why have I decided to stay single for too long? You are looking to explore. Nora the Explorer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo K. Okay, so hello, you guys, I just moved into my new space for the next year. I'm going to be staying for NYSC. I mean, this place is actually really nice. I don't know what I was thinking of getting an apartment, but I think here is really nice and I'm beginning to like the vibe. And this marble setting, I'm also beginning to like it. Anyway, this is it. And this is the only window that he has. Which is why I was thinking that since he only has one window, I might not be able to vibe in this room and the space is quite small. But if the bed was smaller, the space would be better. I'm still thinking of how to decorate it, so I won't get to about the whole pink and purple going on. But I think the lighting is quite okay. It means if I'm doing any video, this is what will happen. I'm doing it towards this direction. So that means whatever decoration I'm having has to be here, aligned, and then I'll have my seat. I'm thinking whether I should get a chair. This would be a table, and then get a chair here, and then make the table extend to this place. No, it's not making sense. There's still a TV coming here, right? So the stands will be 1, 2. The stands will be like 3. I'll probably get a mini stand hooked to the wall here. And then other things, but I don't know how it's going to be. This light needs to be fixed. I think I'm just thinking too much. I'm just going to go to Pinterest to look for ideas to be able to decorate this room. You guys deserve better than this face. Anyway, so I am back. Let me just quickly do my intro and get out. This is me editing or trying to edit. Anyway, so yeah, it's only proper that I give you guys a room tour of my NYSC room or my NYSC place in Abuja, because like I only show you guys the room when I moved in. I didn't show you guys the decorations I later made and the whole upgrade to the room and all of that. I just filmed videos in it, and a lot of people really like the room, and I'm like, yeah. So when I was moving out, like last minute, I just decided to like film a video and just show you guys the way the room is actually after the whole moving in, like how I actually ended up making the room. So I decided to film a video, and if you notice in part of the videos, you're going to see like bags, boxes everywhere. The whole place was kind of scattered, but not really scattered, if that makes any sense. Anyway, let me not make this intro too long because this is me just editing. Hey guys, I'm Moyo K. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so get into the video now. See ya. So I'm just going to guess that most of you are already familiar with this side of the room. So this is where I film my makeup videos and where I kind of, I don't know, just sit down. And here is where I put my heart and my bags. And that bench there, I just dump some of my clothes there when I don't really need them again. And if I'm filming my makeup videos or any other video, I'm either facing the window or I'm back in the window. So you guys are probably familiar with that side of the room already. Of course, my bed, there's really nothing to say about this side apart from I sleep here, I eat here, I sit here and other stuff. So this is where I put my books, and it's just like a mini shelf, even if I didn't really read during NYSC. And that side of the cupboard has like 3 compartments, and I didn't really use it. I was just using it to dump stuff I didn't want inside. And this was like the remaining shelf from the stuff that they did. Oh yeah, I injured myself the previous day, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, that's the piece that they didn't use again, because I wanted 5. I didn't want it to be 6. I wanted it to be the length of the room. And of course, this is the rug. For the rug, well, there's really nothing much to say apart from it's kind of bringing light to the room, and it matches with my furniture. And this part is where I do my press-on nail business. I kind of just sit here and put my nail stuff and other stuff, so you can see pieces of nails kind of scattered around. And of course, iron and dustbin. Then my wardrobe. Okay, so yeah, and here is where I just dump my sunglasses. I put my sunglasses in those compartments to just bring a little bit of light to the room. And then I have this mini stand where my face mask used to be there, but now it's biscuits. And then my mirror stand and the TV, of course. So to the wardrobe, there are like so many compartments. This is where I hang my clothes, and you guys saw when me arranging the room, so you kind of understand the situation going on in this wardrobe. And then the upside is where I dump things. So I dump my boxes in this upper compartment, and the second side is where I dump my bed sheets, and I just leave them there. And the third side, the other one there, is where I dump my ring lights and all of that. So this part is usually where I put my cosmetics and all, and then I put my sweaters in those. compartment, and the other wardrobe, that's where I put my housewares, like things I'm going to wear at home, like, and then my NYSC wear, of course, because NYSC was, you know. Anyway, yeah, that's where I put my NYSC and my house clothes. And I told you guys that the upper compartment is where I put my ring lights and stuff, and this is where I dump my dirty clothes. So that's it for the room tour. You guys should also tell me what you think about the decorations and how I should have decorated it, or what you have done with the room. And that's it, guys. Love you so much, and see you in my next video. And let's just imagine that the garbage bags are not on the bed. Thank you. Bye.